Imagine waking up with the energy and strength you had in your 40s. Sounds impossible. It's not. In today's video, we'll reveal just 3 simple daily habits that can restore your muscle strength, improve balance, and help you feel younger than you have in years. But here's the twist, most seniors have never even heard of habit number 2. So, if you care about your health or the health of someone you love, don't scroll past, like, share, and stay tuned. These tips could change a life, maybe even save one. Let's get started and take back your strength, starting today. Habit 1. Start your day with 10 minutes of resistance band exercises. Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt your legs wobble? Or tried lifting a grocery bag and realized your arms aren't as strong as they used to be? It's a quiet reminder that as we age, our muscles slowly weaken, not from illness, but from inactivity. But what if I told you there's a simple, safe, and surprisingly enjoyable way to reverse that trend? Right from the comfort of your home, let's talk about resistance bands. These brightly colored, stretchy strips of rubber might not look like much, but they are one of the most powerful tools to bring muscle strength back into your life. In fact, studies show that just 10 minutes a day of resistance band exercises can help seniors rebuild muscle, improve joint stability, and even regain confidence in everyday movements. That's right, just 10 minutes. Why is this so effective? As we get older, our muscles shrink, a condition called sarcopenia. But unlike some parts of aging, this one is reversible. Your muscles respond to movement, especially resistance. The tension created by resistance bands mimics weightlifting but in a much gentler and joint-friendly way. It activates both major and minor muscle groups without straining your body. Think of it like a low-impact strength handshake with your own body, gentle but powerful. You don't need a gym membership, heavy weights, or even to stand up if your balance is a concern. You can sit on a sturdy chair and still do arm curls, shoulder presses, or leg extensions with a resistance band. It's not about how much you lift, it's about the consistency and the signal you're sending your muscles, hey, we're not done yet. Let me ask you this, when was the last time you did something for your body that made you feel strong, not just active? Many seniors walk daily, and that's wonderful for heart health and mobility. But walking alone doesn't challenge your muscles enough to maintain strength. So here's the question to think about, if walking keeps your body moving, what's keeping your muscles growing? The beauty of resistance bands is in how adaptable they are. Feeling energetic? Increase the representatives. Want a gentler start? Use a lighter band. Every motion you make stretches the band and contracts the muscle, making it firmer, more functional, and better prepared to support you in everyday life. Brushing your hair. Climbing stairs, opening jars. All of these small tasks become easier when your muscles get just a little stronger. There's also a hidden benefit, the mental lift. After a few days of short resistance routines, you'll start to notice subtle but amazing shifts. You'll feel more stable getting out of bed. You'll reach up to a cabinet with confidence. That tiny routine becomes something you look forward to, a few minutes just for you, where you reclaim a piece of your strength and independence. So, here's your challenge, try a 10-minute routine tomorrow morning. Use a resistance band to do a few seated rows or bicep curls. Feel your muscles respond. And then, ask yourself, if something this small can make me feel stronger in just one day, what could it do in 1 month? It all starts with that first stretch, that first curl, that first decision to take your strength back. You deserve to feel strong again, not just for yourself, but for the people you love and the life you still want to live fully. Give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. Your story might just inspire someone else to start their own journey. Habit 2. Power up your muscles with a morning protein boost. Picture this, you wake up in the morning, stretch your arms, and slowly make your way to the kitchen. Maybe you have some toast and tea, or perhaps just a small bowl of cereal. It's light, it's familiar, but it's also missing something crucial. As we age, one of the most common and silent mistakes we make is starting the day without enough protein. And that one habit might be the reason your muscles are getting weaker by the week. Here's the truth, protein is the building block of strength. Every time you move, stand, lift something, or even just sit upright, your muscles are doing the work and they depend on protein to stay strong and functional. But as we grow older, our bodies become less efficient at using protein. That means seniors actually need more protein than younger adults, not less. Surprised? Now ask yourself this: what did you eat this morning, and did it fuel your muscles, or just fill your stomach? Most traditional breakfasts for older adults are low in protein and high in carbohydrates. Toast, jam, oatmeal, tea, these might give you a temporary energy lift, but they don't do much for muscle maintenance or repair. Without enough protein, your body starts to pull it from your muscles, gradually shrinking them over time. That's where fatigue, weakness, and instability creep in. But here's the good news: just one small change in your morning routine can make a massive difference. Instead of starting your day with just toast or cereal, add 20 to 30 grams of high-quality protein. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nut butter, or a low-sugar protein smoothie. Even adding a scoop of protein powder to your oatmeal can do wonders. Not only does protein help preserve and rebuild muscle, but it also stabilizes blood sugar, reduces cravings, and helps you feel full longer, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. You'll feel more energetic, more balanced, and more in control of your body. And don't worry, you don't need to eat like a bodybuilder. This isn't about packing on huge muscles, it's about keeping the ones you have strong enough to support your independence. Carrying groceries, rising from a chair, reaching a high shelf, all these everyday tasks become easier when your muscles are well nourished. Many seniors are unknowingly undereating protein by nearly half of what they actually need. That's like expecting a plant to grow with just a drop of water. It simply doesn't work. But once you start feeding your body what it truly needs, you may be amazed at how quickly it responds. Your legs feel sturdier. Your arms regain strength. Even your mood may improve, because protein supports healthy brain function too. Let this be your wake-up call. Your first meal of the day is your most important opportunity to fight muscle loss. Don't waste it on empty calories. Choose strength. Choose nourishment. Choose a protein-rich breakfast that supports the life you want to keep living. So tomorrow morning, take a look at your plate. Is it helping you grow stronger? Or slowly making you weaker? Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite high-protein breakfast, or what will you try tomorrow? Share your ideas and let's inspire each other to make better, stronger choices, starting first thing in the morning. Habit 3. Take a 20-minute post-meal strength walk. Imagine finishing your meal and instead of sitting down to relax or immediately diving into chores, you take a gentle walk for just 20 minutes. It might sound simple, maybe even too simple to make a difference, but this small habit could be the secret weapon to restoring your muscle strength and balance as you age. Why right after a meal? Because this timing uniquely helps your body in two important ways. It improves digestion and activates muscles that often get overlooked during daily routines. When you walk after eating, your body increases blood flow to your digestive system, helping break down food more efficiently. At the same time, it gently wakes up your leg, hip, and core muscles, giving them the kind of movement they need to stay strong and coordinated. Here's something many seniors don't realize: muscles don't get stronger just by sitting or even casual walking alone. To truly restore strength and reduce the risk of falls, your muscles need consistent activation. Adding light resistance, like ankle weights or holding light hand weights during your walk, can turn those muscles back on, rebuilding power and improving your balance. This combination helps reduce the wobble when you stand, the struggle when you climb stairs, or the fear of losing your footing. Now, I want you to think about this. How often do you give your muscles the chance to work just a little bit harder in your daily routine? Most of us underestimate the power of this extra effort. You don't need to jog, lift heavy weights, or push yourself to exhaustion. Instead, this gentle walk after eating is a sustainable habit anyone can adopt. It's low impact, safe, and surprisingly refreshing. Your body thanks you with improved stamina and your mind feels clearer, too. There's another hidden benefit here. Walking after meals helps regulate blood sugar, which is especially important for seniors managing diabetes or insulin resistance. Better blood sugar control means more energy, less fatigue, and fewer health complications, all of which contribute to better muscle function. What if I told you this habit not only strengthens your body but also lifts your mood? A 20-minute walk increases endorphins, those natural feel-good chemicals, helping fight anxiety or depression that sometimes come with aging. It's a moment of peace, a chance to breathe fresh air, and reconnect with your surroundings, whether you stroll through your garden, down the sidewalk, or even around your living room if the weather isn't great. Starting today, try timing your walks right after lunch or dinner. If you feel stable, add ankle or wrist weights to give your muscles a little more challenge. Notice how your legs feel more engaged, how your steps grow steadier, and how you begin to trust your body again. Small changes like this build over time, creating a stronger, more resilient you. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Each step you take after eating is a step toward reclaiming your strength and freedom. So, what do you say? Will you give the post-meal strength walk a try? Share your thoughts or experiences below. Have you noticed a difference when you add a little movement after meals? Your insight could encourage someone else to take that first step. Conclusion. If you found even one of these habits helpful for restoring your muscle strength, I'd love to hear from you. Which habit are you most excited to try, or have you already experienced success with any of them? Your story could inspire others on the same journey. Please drop a comment below and share your thoughts or questions. Let's build a supportive community together. And if this video brought value to you or someone you care about, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips tailored just for seniors. Your feedback means the world.